Hey, and welcome back on our YouTube channel. It's me, Dunja, from the creative team, and I have another card for you today with lots of stripes. I had some leftovers from the Wow YouTube live that I did with Daniel a few weeks ago. So I decided to use these double-sided adhesive stripes again for my card, and I'm using the Wow embossing powders, the Wow sparkles and flocks, and the Fab Foils, and I hope you will enjoy this video. The size of the stripes are different, and it's up to you if it's a smaller or a bigger one. I adhere these strips to the cardstock and cut off the edges in the next step. Then I peel off the foil, and the first one is an embossing powder. It's inspired by Alexandra Renke. It is called Judith's Blush. It's a very, very soft and translucent pink. I will cover another stripe with the Judith's Blush before I take another embossing powder. Then I choose the Punch. It is inspired by Marion Embossing. It's included the Pick Me Up trio with 3 beautiful embossing glitters, and I like the sparkling. And I will do it on 2 stripes too. You can remove the excess powder with a brush. That's not a problem at all. And now I'm taking my Wow Dual Speed Heat Tool and heat the embossing powder as usual. After the heat embossing, I'm going on with the Wow sparkles. I'm using the crystal one. It is very, very sparkling, as you will see. Just rub it a bit, and then it sticks very well on the tape. Let me show you the sparkling. This is totally amazing, isn't it? It's just wow. Daniel would say it is just wow. The next step is the flocks. It's a very, very fun product. I'll do the same like with the sparklets, the same thing. Just rub it on the tape and you will get that texture, and it's very, very soft. I can't explain how it feels, but if you try it, you know what I mean. And it looks very cool. Those flocks are available in 9 different colors. You can find them on the Wow website. And yeah, it's really not easy to explain. They give a tactile, a velvet finish. Yeah, I think you must try it. And last but not least, I am using the Fab Foils, pink one. There are also many different colors available. I cut off a piece of them, and you can use them in different ways, with the bonding powder or with these adhesive stripes like I do. I did. Sorry. Please make sure to rub it very well, either with your fingers or your bone or a bone folder, and remove the foil very carefully. I will do this with the last strip as well, to add the Fab Foil, and then the strips are done. When you touch the card, you have such a different, let me say, feeling and look also. It's the glitter, the shiny thing, it's the matte velvety look. It's very cool, and I hope you like it, and I hope it gives you some inspiration to do it as well. Then I will add a sentiment. I have the Happy. It's a cutting die from Alexandra Renke. I have it in my stash from the live also. And I'm using the Wow Sparkles Gold Dust. It's one of my favorite. It's very sparkling, and here you see it's nearly empty because I really like it and use it often. And just peel off the foil, and then it's adhesive, and sprinkle the sparkles over it, rub it a bit, and then it's finished. I decided to use a clear stamp. It is also from Alexandra Renke, and I will use the Do What Makes You. And then the sentiment of the card is Do What Makes You Happy. I stamp it with some black ink on my white piece of card paper. I'm using a paper trimmer to get that little piece of strip, add some glue, and put it on my card. So then the card is finished. I hope you like it, and give it a try to use some flocks and Fab Foils together with your embossing powders and sparkles. It's worth it for sure. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, and till next time, happy crafting. Bye bye.